In the past few years, moringa has become very famous because people say it's good. Anemia and other diseases are bad for the bone health, but is it really that good? In today's video, I'll talk about 14 scientifically proven uses and benefits of moringa. What is moringa? It's a plant that ancient cultures have used for thousands of years to treat a variety of diseases. Lately, doctors all over the world have been giving this plant a lot of praise for its health benefits and nutritional qualities. Scientists have studied the leaves of moringa and found that they have a lot of protein, vitamin B6, vitamin C, iron, vitamin A, beta-carotene, phosphorus, calcium, and magnesium. Oh my god, that's full of minerals and vitamins. What more can we ask for? Well, today I want to talk about 14 proven moringa health benefits and uses. Number 1. Moringa brings down blood sugar. High blood sugar can be a major problem. In fact, it's the main sign of diabetes. Over time, high blood sugar can make you more likely to develop heart disease and other serious health problems, like kidney disease. Poor blood circulation is one reason why it's important to keep your blood sugar in a healthy range. Number 2, moringa helps bring blood sugar levels down to a normal range. Adding 50 grams of moringa to a meal lowers the risk of high blood sugar by 21%, according to a small study of 6 people with diabetes. Number 3, moringa reduces inflammation. Inflammation is the body's natural response to an infection or injury. It's an important way for the body to protect itself, but it can become a major health problem if it lasts for a long time. Chronic inflammation has been linked to heart disease, cancer, and other health problems, including an increased risk of heart disease. There are many plant foods that can effectively lower your cholesterol. These include garlic, flax seeds, oats, and almonds. Number 4. Moringa is another useful tool for people who have high cholesterol. Studies on both animals and people have shown that Moringa oleifera, which is the US scientific name, can also lower cholesterol. A 2014 study published in the Journal of Food Science and Technology looked at the effects of moringa and amaranth leaves. The results showed that supplementing with moringa and amaranth caused significant increase in antioxidants and significant decreases in markers of oxidative stress. The researchers concluded that these plants have therapeutic potential to help prevent problems caused by aging and natural hormone changes. Number 5. Some studies have shown that in addition to balancing hormones, moringa can also increase sexual drive. However, even though it's been used as a natural supplement to increase sex drive, it seems to help reduce the number of births. So don't use moringa if you're trying to get pregnant. Number 6. It protects and nourishes the skin. Moringa contains natural antibacterial, antifungal, and antiviral compounds. Number 7, it keeps the brain safe and keeps the brain healthy. The brain is full of amino acid called tryptophan, which is a precursor to the feel-good hormone serotonin. Moringa is also full of antioxidants and compounds that improve thyroid health, which help fight off fatigue, depression, low libido, mood swings, and insomnia. You can eat about 5 tablespoons of moringa leaf every day with your meals. Number 8. Moringa also has calcium and phosphorus, which help keep bones healthy and strong. It also has anti-inflammatory properties that can help treat conditions like arthritis and may also help you heal broken bones. Number 9. Moringa may help reduce the severity of some asthma attacks and protect us from bronchial constriction. A lot of people have bronchitis, and moringa has been shown to help with better lung function and breathing in general. So, if you have bronchitis or any other respiratory condition, have some moringa. Number 10. Moringa oil actually helps with fungal and yeast infections like candida, as well as digestive problems and infections. It also rids the body of dangerous substances like heavy metals and toxins. Number 11, improves urinary health. Moringa is used in India to help with urinary health. It may also be able to help fight off kidney stones, urinary tract infections, constipation, fluid retention, and edema. Number 12, has antibacterial, antifungal, and antimicrobial properties. As I said before, moringa has antibacterial, antifungal, and antimicrobial properties. Moringa leaf extracts can fight illnesses caused by the Salmonella rhizopias virus and E. coli. Number 13. There are chemicals in moringa that stop cancer cells from growing. The extract is great for preventing cancer from starting or spreading. Number 14. Protects the liver. Moringa appears to shield the liver from harm resulting from pharmaceutical drugs and can hasten the liver's healing process. If you're going through a liver detox, you might want to take moringa as part of your treatment. So that's all we have for you today. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Let us know what you think in the comments section. If you are just starting to follow us, please subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so you'll know when we post new videos. Thanks for watching and see you later.